Real estate market gained momentum in January per Ottawa Real Estate Board. Hello everybody, today we're back with an update on the Ottawa real estate market for January 2024. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Norton Ngo. I'm a real estate agent here in the city of Ottawa. If you find this video valuable or learn anything new, all I ask is you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions on the market, you can also book a call directly with me through the first link in the description. Let's get into it. As my colleague and friend Tom Story stated in his video on the Toronto real estate market, the headlines that came from news articles these past couple weeks have really been quite wild. The headline out of the GTA was that the market was roaring back to life, but he used the Lion King movie analogy of the first time Simba tries to roar, and it really isn't quite a real roar. I would say that that's quite applicable to the Ottawa market as well. It's certainly picked up pace. However, comparing over the past few years and rolling averages, it's quite moderate, but a healthy sign of things to come perhaps. The Ottawa Real Estate Board reported 629 homes were sold in January 2024, a 16.5% increase from January 2023, an 11.3% increase over December of 2023. What's important to factor and note, however, is that the market was quite sluggish in December, so that figure has to be taken with some context and a grain of salt, given we're 3.9% below the 10-year average for home sales in the month of January. In terms of months of inventory within the city of Ottawa, it currently sits at 3.1 months of standing inventory, down from 3.8 months in November and 3.3 months within December. What this means is that less homes are available for sale, which will be an important metric to monitor into the spring market of 2024. Last year in the spring market, we saw inventory levels get to the 1.5, 1.8 months of inventory territory, which put upwards pressure on prices and in some cases multiple offer scenarios, given the supply and demand imbalance. Boots on the ground, what I'm seeing is a shift in buyer sentiment and I would say confidence as well. Predominantly, I would say those looking to make a move are end users with certain objectives and dates in mind, whether that be family or lifestyle related, such as schools or size of the home. The past few offers that we've been involved in have been multiple offer scenarios, which has also been very interesting. One of these properties being one that was listed on the market for greater than 2 months, and then once one offer went in, 3 others came out as well, which was out of the ordinary for sure. What's important to know for buyers out there is that despite multiple offers, at this stage anyways, in February of 2024, we're not seeing as aggressive offers that we were seeing during the pandemic with 6 figures over listing price with offer dates being set. We're seeing homes predominantly sell conditional with inspections and financing due diligence, which has been the norm in the market for quite some time now, which has been also very refreshing. To quote Ottawa Real Estate Board President, Ottawa's market activity is seeing positive gains over last year, but it is still relatively quiet market even by pre-pandemic standards. During the pandemic, buyers had to move quickly and oftentimes were under very tight timelines in terms of the initial visit to actually offering on the home. It all happened very fast and in a very fast-paced environment. Today, it's refreshing that buyers are able to take the time needed to find a place, perhaps visit it again with family and conduct necessary due diligence. So what does this mean? I believe it's encouraging to see the data pointing in the right direction, and talking with our mortgage brokers, their perspective is that they're seeing a steady pace in terms of pre-approval applications and intake volume. I truly believe that buyers are there and the real estate dynamics and buyer sentiment work so closely hand in hand. We'll continue to monitor the market and we'll see you on the next one.